Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So I'm doing a quick wrap up with my favorite cards. This is the Roaming Monsters die set and I had so much fun making this card, ink blending, and I have so many favorites, but I'm just sharing a few for this video today. And here's another Halloween card, Happiest of Haunts, and I had so much fun with her. She's so cute and it's a rubber stamp, and I'll list everything down below for you of the products that I'm sharing, or at least the main product. And then here is a recent card I did, Dudley and Friend Christmas, and I think it's so cute. I stamped the background there and ink blended a little bit with stencils. And you can find all these card videos on the playlist for Von Marie. And here is another stenciled card, and there is a series of these layering stencils, and it's so much fun. I love it. Using pattern paper, I love the pattern paper. And this is Grinchy A2 card fronts, and so much fun, and they're back in stock, so grab them while you can. And next is I have Bear Bubbles, and I love the stamp set. It has so much fun, great sentiments for all. And I love that cute bear and dog, so cute. And here is Butt Nuggets, which is so fun. I love the sentiments, they make me laugh. And I loved making a slimline card for this, so cute. And next I have my last card to share. This is Halloween Bawoon, and it's so cute, and I had so much fun making that background. So thank you for joining me and have a wonderful day.